the kuya of the crew and as someone na, ano ba? As someone na, yun nga, has been here sa industry ng medyo matagal na. Tapos yun na nakilala ka naman talaga abroad na magaling na singer, performer. How would you assess yung music at yung pagiging performer ng dalawang younger, ano na to? Oo, silang dalawa, si James at si Sam. Ano masasabi mo sa musicality nila at sa style nila?
Well, umpisa ako kay Sam. Sam, actually, kasama ni Chris Lawrence, sinulat namin yung No Limitations para kay Sam. Sam, bata pa lang siya actually. I thought he was one of the dopest performers dito sa Pilipinas. So musically, alam na namin kung anong capacity ni Sam because he is a musician, diba? And James, I was really shocked nung unang beses na narinig ko siya. Alam mo yun kasi yung kay James, he has his own identity. He's not trying to be like anybody else. And sorry, but he's got balls, you know, he doesn't take no for an answer, you know. That's why I like this guy, because I respect him for that. He really is passionate about music. He's a producer, he's a songwriter, he owns his own record company, he's producing for other... Tama na, lumalaki na, ang laki na. Kulang na lang, ilipad na yung ulo, hindi, joke lang. But yeah, I really take a lot from them. Marami ako natututunan. And for me, it really is God's plan sa akin lang. Because I finished my album exactly on time. And for me to be able, like my first single, kasama ko si James, you know, so they're big influences sa buhay ko, especially in the music industry.
Kamusta naman yung mga work ethics nila? Are they both professional?
Super professional. Eh si James, minsan hindi mo makakausap yan. Kasi when he's really in the zone, in his music, you know what I mean, right? Pag yan, pag nakikinig ng music, whatever, bro, take a look, watch this, or listen to this, excited. You know what I'm saying? And he's got passion, he's got fire. And the same thing with this guy, but both of us are excited to hear and what, you know, Sam is capable of bringing too, you know? And
Sam is my, sorry,
go ahead, brother.
You said so many nice things about
Go ahead, say something nice.
Sam is my favorite singer, like, of all time.
Wow!
It's true.
That's why we're friends.
Kasi magkaibigan, yun na nga, kasi magkaibigan kayo, di ba?
Hindi, sa akin, sa totoo lang, my top 2 male singers dito sa Pilipinas is JR, and then it's Sam. Vocal.
Wow.
No,
Wow.
I told you that's you. I told you, bro.
Mag-react ka doon, Sam.
Hindi ko na, parang marami nung yan, hindi ko mali ako react.
Ayan.
Pressure ko ito ngayon na dahil sa mga sinabi ko na, tapos gagawin namin yung show na to. But yeah, I love Dr. Billy for a long time. Mutual Admiration Society. So this is, yeah, I looked up to him and since yung first ko na nakanta na ginawa nila. And being James's friend, aside from being his friend, I have so much respect for his music. This guy, yung grind niya, yung passion niya is really in his music, and he's just so gifted when it comes to writing. And I think that really is his passion and where he's going to be really, really successful at. So we haven't seen the best of his work yet. Legit, bro.
Wow. James, ayun nga, aside from being a close friend to Sam, what made you say na siya yung favorite singer mo of all time? Sabi mo?
Yes, my favorite singer.
Wow. What made you say that?
He's, para sa akin, he's better as singer and dancer than Chris Brown.
Ooh! Mic drop. Talaga?
Yes. And you're going to see that in our concert.
That's right.
Tapos, pinuri mo ng todo si Sam. Ano naman yung nice words mo for Billy?
Hindi na kailangan ibalik sa akin because we share the same exact feeling towards Sam as well.
Billy has so much wisdom.
That's because I'm older.
Ang tayo, wisdom na talaga sa pinag-usapan sa'yo. Hindi pinuri yung talent mo, Billy, wisdom.
Ngipin kasi ako
Advice. And, yun lang.
Hindi po matutuloy yung concert kasi may isang mamamatay.
Sila Nilaglag ka.
This is one of the reasons why I love these guys, you know, kasi hindi sila magsisinungaling whatever. Kasi honestly, we just recently connected and we just recently met through Sam, you know what I'm saying, and through music, nag-connect kami. So, we're all getting to know each other, but ang totoo nito, both kami, iniidolo kasi namin si Sam. So, we're just really excited to be with Sam.
Grabe, todo na to. Sam, parang pa-tribute na to sa'yo, Sam, ha?
I'm blushing. Kinikilig ako right now. Ito.
Hindi, tapos yun nga, Billy, alam namin kayo ni Sam talaga. You're both vocally, talagang ang galing yung ng voice nyo. Tapos yung pagsasayaw nyo, talagang grabe rin kayo mag-perform. So, si James ba kayang sumabay dun sa inyong energy at sa inyong mga vocal power? James, how do you feel dun sa part na yon?
That's one of the things I was like most nervous about at the start when they asked me if I want to do this concert with Sam and Billy. I knew that I was the weakest vocally, and they're both amazing dancers, but that made me want to do it so much more. So I have to really level up. I really have to step up, and I really have to step up to reach my dream of being as good as my two idols.
O, di ba, humble?
You're one idol.
Ano masasabi mo dun, Sam, bilang you know him kung ano yung capacity ni James, di ba? So, paano siya makaka-level up sa inyong dalawa ni Billy?
So, he has the ability to do so, and he can do something. He can do many things that I can't do, for sure. He's his own artist. He has his own thing. He has the X factor, and that's something that you can't teach or can't acquire if you don't. You just have it, and he has it.
Oo, and aside from that, actually, in all fairness to James, kung paramihan ng fans, parang yung fans niya talaga dadagsa dito, di ba? Parang sa kanya pala pwede na mapuno yung Araneta, di ba? So yun naman ang kanyang doon. Let's give it to him.
I'm here to fill out the Colosseum.
Ayun. So tapos, last na, how hands-on are you dito sa sa concert na to? Kayo ba yung mga sariling suggestions? Ano yung mga input nyo para mas personal yung experience ng manonood?
I think we all came together to meet about the concert. Pinano namin from start to finish, together with, of course, our musical director, Marcus Davis, and band. We chose the songs that we like, na gusto namin i-perform, plus yung nakakanta namin. Maybe sometimes even songs we thought that we want each other to sing, or maybe it would be, it was a good brainstorming, and we spent all day putting that together, and nabuo namin siya.
Ikaw, Sam, ano mismo yung sinabi mo na dapat meron ito on your end? Ano yung gusto mo talaga nandun sa concert?
I think just yung mga song choice namin. Kasi kung gusto namin na maging seamless yung show, ayaw din naman namin na nakakapagod siya panoorin kung puro sigaw sunod. I think it's how the show flows.
Ikaw, Billy, in terms of your own personal input, ano yung mga talagang sinabi mo na dapat ganito?
Di lang ako yung may wisdom.
Oo, di ba?
Binubulungan lang, just kidding. I know. No, sa akin, yun nga, lahat, to be honest with you, is mutual. Lahat, honestly. From the start of the show, kung ano yung mangyayari sa mga TV screens namin or LEDs, kung ano yung takbo, gaano katagal, lahat kami equal distribution talaga eh. Kasi we all wanted to sing certain songs. Tapos we had to compromise and work together para to choose something that we can all sing together and perform together. So, yung flow ng show ay talagang kami, tatlo.
Not just the song choices, but the lyrics,
everything.
Special things to the stage and then for the performance na hindi pa namin pwede sabihin. But yeah, there's a lot more than just song choice.
Thank you guys. Good luck.
Thanks. Well, this is the challenge. It's not that far away. And the second challenge is we haven't rehearsed yet.
Oh.
Yes. But the greatest thing is we're doing our own songs. So mas handa na rin kami naman kahit anong mangyari. And we're so involved. And ako, I'm leaving next week to Canada for 2 weeks kasama ni Anne. So medyo mawawala ako ng mas matagal. Pero habol ako balik. Yung pressure is ako para sa akin.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I'll go first because actually I have to exit right after this. It's my mother-in-law's birthday, so I have to be getting organized ko wala ako. But I really just want to say, please do watch the show because this is something different. This is something real, and this is something that we love to do. And we're excited to see everybody enjoy with us. It's a party that they don't want to miss. This is not going to be the party that never happened. This is a party that they don't want to miss.
Thank you, Billy. James?
Thank you so much for coming, and hope we were able to answer your questions. Thank you for the support, and please watch April 5. Yes, it's going to be talked about for a long time. Thank you.
And Sam?
Thank you po again din. Maraming salamat for being here tonight. I'm very excited about the show. Thank you for your support. Thank you to everyone here. Viva, thank you very much. The crew, Smart, Avenue at the Coliseum, April 5, to be a party.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Marcus, to you first.
Well, since it's on my album, sa album ko naman yun, I actually was, I've been wanting to actually remake and remix Marcus' song, which is Filipino Girl. I thought it was one of the most clever songs na sinulat niya para sa asawa niyang Pilipina.
I wish I wrote it.
Yeah, I wish I wrote the first version as well.
But you dedicated it to Nats.
My verse, my verse I wrote.
Okay.
Yes, of course. Hindi naman magiging special if we didn't really, it wasn't inspired by other apps. But yes, so I just suggested because I really admire James as an artist. So I thought he really fit the song. And he is with a Filipino girl as well. So, sa akin, bilang halfies, you know what I'm saying? Medyo half-half kami. So, yun. And he wanted to do it as well. And now, yeah.
Everyone's talking about the way you look now, so from the pictorial from the start. Ano yung identities niyo? I think you're sharing the same
I think it's pretty similar. It's influenced as our fashion. I mean,
it's yours.
I've always been.
Not the stylist?
I mean, these chest bags. I'm the one. You know, I make these and stuff, and then that I made that for Careless, and then hindi kami nag-usap. Hindi mo alam. And then I think ako, Rain and M and Rain. Sila ang nagsa-style sa akin. I mean, I try to look different every time naman, so.
Okay, she Rain did.
Same. And they're the best.
They are.
And they're working with us also for the show.
Mas colorful ka lang.
Mas colorful.
Makulay ang buhay ni Sam.
Embereto and Embereto.
Okay. Medyo sleek.
Yeah, sleek with a bit of street.
Okay. Mas lumalim pa yung relasyon niyo because of Idol Philippines, no?
Yes.
Ano yung support na ibigay mo kay James ngayon at this point?
Oh, for me, full support ako sa lahat ng mga judges. And it doesn't mean anything else matters. Ang pinaka-importante dito is, guys, you have to be proud of our own talent na pinapasikat natin, hindi lang dito para sa buong mundo. So I think people need to stop, take a look at themselves in the mirror, and really ask a question. Perfect ba tayo? You know what I'm saying? So everybody's entitled to their own opinions, but you know what? I'm happy that I'm working with this guy sa Idol, and he's excited to do Idol as well. So.
Okay lang yun, James. You know your value.
Actually, wala siyang alam.
I don't want to look at the comments.
Okay lang yun.
I'm sure I already understand what they're saying. But like I said before, I had my own insecurities as a judge before becoming a judge of Idol Philippines. But they got me for a reason because I made it in my own area, my own field in showbiz industry, and because they see talent in me. So I have my own opinion, and you're entitled
What's
to
a
an
producer
opinion.
ka?
True.
May sariling label. I mean, what else do you need if you're a musician, di ba? You need a label.
Ang ganda nga ng soundbite mo, di ba? I'm here to find my next recording.
Yes, my next artist, Carlos. Yes, let's go.
Okay, and for this one, I think you'll be a mentor for.
No. If I will do it. I will love to. Bahala si
Kuya? Bad trip! Pero ako naman yung mukhang bata dito. Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung totoy sa akin.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank
And
you.
happy birthday to your mother-in-law.
Thank you very much. I gotta go. Take care.